morning peeps, good morning. I need a coffee. It's closed. Anyway, it opens in 30 minutes. It's not too bad really. I'm gonna nip out, get some washing done today. $2 to wash, $2 to dry. It's not too bad really. Get some washing done, then tonight we'll go to Disney, to the Polynesian hotel, and we've got a meal booked there. Should be quite nice. Cost a fortune, but hey, got to do these things sometimes. Another hot day. Oh, beautiful day. Yesterday was nice. Clear water was beautiful. I highly recommend that place. Really nice. The laundry's nearly done. Just drying them now. Oh, it's warm. The shop's open now, so I've got a coffee, but expensive there. For a chocolate bar, it's $2. I think it's dear. I'll go to Walgreens then, I think. Get the chocolate from then in future. Right, jump in the pool. Trina, you going in? Eh? I'll come this way. Going in. So jump in together. Down there. Whoa. I've got to go in, I suppose. Which is his way in. Safi! We're going. Whoa. Saturday night, we're heading out to the Polynesian resort, and it's absolutely packed. We're lucky to get a parking space, to be fair. We're at the hotel now. The monorail to the Magic Kingdom. We're going this way. It's a really nice hotel, this. Guest laundry. But it's more expensive than ours. Just in there. Lilo's Palace. What's that place? I don't know what that is. Yeah? True activities. It's almost on midnight apparently. You're going to make some reservations. I don't know what it is. Bit of an observation, that's pretty close to that tree. Very close. That's the Polynesian, that's the Grand Floridian. Just checking in at the ohana. Back to the show there. Just waiting for a little buzzer to buzz. Just waiting to get in now. Thought I'd look at the shops. Not a good idea this actually. Bringing the kids in here, it's a nightmare. I'll show you around, it's a beautiful hotel this. Polynesian. Really nice. I think we'd stop here for a couple of nights. They're a nightmare in shops. Nightmare. I've seen it all now, Sapphire. Come on, girlfriend, let's get some lunch. Apart from being nearly 30 minutes delayed, we're in. Ooh, sounds expensive.
Yeah, no,
back to the right. Big circle. Everybody to the right. Hold the net out there. I'll make the scene. Here comes the over the hooky now. Happy birthday, Hawaii.
This looks like a starter, so you got like a mixed salad with like tacos. Strange, it's a taco.
Do you want to check if those are hot? I want to make sure that they're not.
Sapphire's got nuggets.
Okay, alright.
That's what she wanted. So this is eat as much as you like, buffet. Home style, family style. Now there's noodles there, with them they're pork dumplings. It's like a pie really, pork pie, really nice. Got wings, noodles. Yeah, it's really nice. It feels like alright.
Hey guys.
As I walk to the edge of the pier toward the castle on this humid evening with Grand Floridian on the left and the Contemporary on the right. It's time to say goodnight, God bless. It's time to go home. Tiki Boutique. Boutique. It's time to go home. Well guys, cracking night at the Polynesian. Time for bed, it's 12:15. It's after midnight. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment and we'll reply. Take it easy.